Guys, I'm in the mix of working on an axle. Obviously it's broken. Come to find out, customer needs a control arm. So you know what that means. Them prices. So right now, disconnecting the brake caliber bracket. 22. I got both bolts loose, bottom, top. Once I get the bracket off, I'll be back in a second and let you guys know what comes next. I actually have the axle nut removed. Can't remove that unless you can't remove the axle unless the nut is removed, and you gotta have the tire and all that stuff on in order to remove it. So I'll be back once the bracket is out. The brake rotor's off, so I'll be back in a second. So guys, I know you guys heard this once. I'ma say it again. Not Chris Fix, but out with the old. Check that out. Line them up. Basically, OEM. I basically haven't pulled that part out yet because I know transmission fluid work all out of here. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna lubricate this guy up a little bit, get it greased and slippery and whatnot. Grease this one slightly, and then I'm gonna slide it in. But before I even do any of that, what I may end up having to do is remove I'm gonna have to remove the sway bar link. So I'll be back in a second. But I'll probably want to do it quick when I'm not dripping a whole lot of transmission fluid. So I'll be back in a second once the new axle's in. So as you guys can see, a turn was against us. I got the new axle in there. All the way flush down in there. Got the sway bar link back together. So now, I do got to control on, as you guys can see, separated down here where this little ball is. So we're gonna remove this bolt here. Other one on the opposite side, right there. So once you get that out, that ball should already drop down. And then it's not gonna control it. So I'll be back in a second once the wheels move. Alright guys, that's pretty much a wrap for today's video. As you can see, we got the wheel on, axles on, everything's back together.